Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about the 9-bit token. Now before we start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, the 9-bit is a gamified token on the Solana blockchain designed to bridge mainstream Web2 gaming with Web3 rewards and ownership. Gamify ecosystem. It powers an integrated platform for game distribution, social interaction, and reward mining targeting a board gaming audience. Solana Foundation built for speed and low cost, leveraging Solana's high throughput to enable seamless in game transactions. Capped supply or governance features a defined maximum token supply with a portion held by the founding entity. The 9 limited allowing long-term interest. The 9-bit token total supply is 2.41 billion and circulating supply is also 2.41 billion 9-bit token. 9-bit token is listed on KuCoin, MEXC, BingX and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 70% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.